In this video, I will show you how to add a HubSpot form in WordPress. If you already have a HubSpot form and want to display it on your WordPress website, this tutorial will guide you through the process. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. If you haven't already, install and activate the HubSpot plugin by going to Plugins, clicking Add New, searching for HubSpot, and connecting it to your HubSpot account. Next, open the page or post where you want to add the form and click Edit. Add a new block, search for the HubSpot form block, and insert it into the page. From the drop-down menu, select the HubSpot form you want to display. Once the form is selected, position it where you want it to appear. Then click Update or Publish to save your changes. Finally, visit your website to make sure the form is displaying correctly and submit a test entry to confirm it's working as expected. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.